very cheerful and refreshing morning to one and all. Today is a new day filled with new possibilities. Let us welcome it with open hearts and positive minds. So, without further delay, let's begin our morning assembly and make this day productive and meaningful.
Difficulties come and go, but with unity and determination, we can overcome any challenge. The song We Shall Overcome reminds us to never give up. Let's all join in and sing with hope and strength.
Form is the first step towards being responsible citizens. To keep us updated, let's welcome Abhiram with today's news.
Happy morning everyone. Today's news. International news. UK, France and Ukraine agree to work on ceasefire plan for Russia's war in Ukraine. National news. Modi's government weakening RTI in the name of data protection, says Mallikarjun Kharge. State news. Endogamy causing hereditary diseases, says CCMB Hyderabad. State news. ICC Champion Trophy. India versus Australia. India won by 4 wickets. Thank you.
Of words, but a solemn commitment to uphold values of truth, discipline, and responsibility. Now I call upon Jeevan to lead us with pledge.
Pledge. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
A man who dedicated his life to social justice and education, Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, continues to inspire us today. To share more about his remarkable journey, I now invite Lalita to address us.
Happy morning, respected directors, sir, principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Lalita from Grade-VIII Jasper, here to speak few lines about Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. Mahatma Jyotiba Phule was a great social reformer and thinker. He was born in 1827 in India and dedicated his life to fighting for the rights and he believed in the power of education as a tool for social transformation and worked tirelessly to promote education for all, especially girls and lower caste. He also advocated the upliftment of women and the abolition of lower caste based discrimination. His contributions towards the field of education have had lasting impact on Indian society. And let us remember and celebrate the life and legacy of this great leader, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. I want to conclude my speech by a quotation that is, education is the primary requirement of men and women. Thank you. Have a great day.
Knowledge is power, and testing it helps us grow. To make our morning more interesting, I invite Sahil Sai to come forward and test our GK skills with some thought-provoking questions.
Happy morning everyone. Today's GK questions are brought to you by Sahil Sai of Grade-VIII Jasper. Question for grade 6. Which is the earliest civilization in India? I repeat my question. Which is the earliest civilization in India? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is Indus Valley Civilization. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 7. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? You picked the correct answer and the answer is Japan. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 8. Who is the inventor of camera? I repeat my question. Who is the inventor of camera? Sorry, you didn't pick any answer and the answer is Louis Le Prince. Question for junior 10th. Who is the father of GK? I repeat my question. Who is the father of GK? Sorry, you didn't pick any answer and the answer is Bikaji Kama Rostom. Thank you.
Every new word we learn is a step towards better communication. To introduce today's word of the day, I welcome Roshan to enlighten us.
Happy morning everyone. Today's word, blunt, meaning a fool. Friends, please spell after me. Blurt. BLERT. Blurt. Thank you.
Thoughts shape our actions, and positive words inspire positive deeds. I now call upon Vamshi to share the thought of the day.
A very auspicious morning to everyone. Today's thought: work hard in silence. Let your success be your noise. Thank you.
Motivation is like the fuel that drives us towards our goals. Today we have Tarun who will inspire us with his words of wisdom.
Happy morning to everyone. I'm Tarun of Grade-VIII Jasper and I'm here to tell you speech. Speech on value. Value. Everyone has their own value and unique talent. Everyone will have their talent, but somehow it is stuck in middle. But I'll tell you a few things which will bring your talent outside. Go stand in front of a mirror and speak to yourself. Ask yourself and question yourself that why did I born? For what purpose I have born? And next ask yourself that how should I live my life in a better way? And ask that for what purpose I'm living now? And ask that next question. Ask that how should I die? In what position I should die? How everyone should think when I die? Everyone should speak about you when you die. And thank you.
Here we have Sana to let us know about a renowned Indian boxer, often regarded as one of the best female boxers in the world.
Happy morning, everyone. Myself, Sana. I'm here to give a speech. The truth is that the harder you struggle, the sweeter are rewards in the end. Maricom. Maricom means Indian female boxer from northern state of Manipur. She was born on 24 November 1982 in Manipur, and she was only woman to win 6 times world championship. And she is also a inspiring woman for all of us. And she is a great mother of 2 children. And she proved that determination and the struggle is a part of winning. And she is a great mother, and she is also a boxer, Indian famous boxer. And lastly, the thoughts given by Maricom is I promise myself and I prove myself. Don't give up on yourself, because there will be another chance. Dream for it and wait for it. Thank you.
Today, I'm honored to talk about something that we all of us desire: success. We all have dreams, goals, and aspirations. But the question is, how do we achieve them? Let me take you through the recipe of success. So here we have Srinika and Geetanjali to share the recipe of success with us.
A very warm morning to everyone. I am Srinika.
This is Geetanjali.
We are from Grade-VIII Jasper and today we are here to do a conversation.
Welcome, everyone. I am enacting as Chef of Dreams.
And I will be enacting as Chef of Reality.
Welcome, everyone. Today we are making the most delicious dish in the world: success.
Success is not a ready-made recipe. It needs our hard work, determination, patience with persistence.
Let's start cooking. The first ingredient: hard work. Without this, your dish will never rise up.
But let's add a pinch of failure, because failure is the only ingredient which is bitter, but it tastes really very beautiful lessons in the life.
Now let's add confidence and believe in yourself. You will taste victory before you finish cooking.
Discipline. Discipline is one more ingredient which is most important. It saves your dish from out of burning. So let's be always in discipline.
Now add spoonful of imagination. Dream big. The bigger, the better.
So lastly, I wanted to conclude our conversation by one thing. Success is not about reaching the top.
It's about never giving up on the climb. So keep on climbing and never give up.
And let's make our own success story. Thank you. Have a great day.
As we conclude today's assembly, let's remember that every day is a new opportunity to learn, grow and make a difference. Wishing you all a productive and positive day ahead. Thank you. Signing off, Grade-VIII Jaspers.